All right, folks. Today is June 18, 2020. We're looking at our Webull account. So let's look at our paper trades. So our paper trade account, we decided to start with $1,000. Something that's more realistic. That way we have certain constraints. We also decided to max out the account so we could try to figure out the best way to do different maneuvers with limited funds, limited available funds. So our positions, we chose North America, which is an oil tanker. It was down 0.6%. We have 6 of those. Diamond Shipping, which is an oil tanker. We have 6 of those. It was up 0.72%. SQQQ is a short against QQQ, or a short against NASDAQ. So it was down 0.5%, and we have 6 of those. Scorpion or Scorpio tanker. We have 6 of those. It was up 1.8% today. TNK. TNK is TK, but it's TK Tankers. Or it also goes by TK, which is TK is a little bit less expensive. It was up 1.6%. Brookfield Asset Management was down 0.6%. Royal Bank of Canada was up slightly. Bank of Nova Scotia was down 2%. Toronto Dominion Bank down 2%. And then we have the 6 big banks of the United States. Bank of America is down 3%. Citigroup down 3%. JP Morgan down 3%. Morgan Stanley down 2.25%. Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is down 2.7%. And then Wells Fargo was down 3.4%. So our whole portfolio today, well, total, is down 1.16%. So the big surprise that we have, we're not ready to unveil it yet, but we do have active trades on our Webull account. All I can tell you is, one is an oil tanker. One is a commodity. I always talk about it. It's a 3-time long on the commodity. So let's say, for instance, it's gold. If gold price goes up 10%, this ETF will go up 3 times that. One is a financial ETF. It's a leverage ETF. 2 times bull. So if, say, the banks go up 5% on average, this one will go up 10%. And then the final ETF is for energy. Actually, I think the energy is a 2-time bull. The financials is a 3-time bull. So energy is 2 times. If energy prices go up, your Chevrons and gas, if those go up 5%, 10%, this one will go up 10% or 10%, 20%. We do expect our current positions to lose value going into next week. We're not worried about that. So what we will do is, if they get beat up too bad, like if they're down 15, 20%, we'll just add to the positions. So we're saving some money to add to the positions. And then the next week, if they're still down another 10, 20% further than that drop, we'll try to double up on those positions. The stock market is not going to go up without financials and without energy. Energy sector is a major sector. It pulls the rest of the markets up most of the time. So if oil is not up, the banks don't make money. A lot of companies depend on oil. They have lots of bets in oil. The stock market is not going to go up. We think the stock market will be hitting new all-time highs. So we decided to take a chance to get into the ETFs at what we think is a fairly decent price. So thank you for watching. Enjoy.